Hey there, this is just a quick video to show people how to unzip and install fonts for use in other software. What you need to do first is to navigate to the folder that you had saved your font in. All you need to do is double click on the zip file and then double click on the font that you want to use. Now I personally use the OTF version of the font, so I'll click that and it will open up, not install yet, but it will open up the font. What you need to do next is to click the install right here and it'll go through the process. Now I already have this font installed, so this won't come up for you. And that's all there is to it. When you open up your Cricut design space, that font will be there. Okay, so now I'm back into design space and I just clicked for the text. And then you just need to go up here and click right here for your system fonts, right there. And it'll show all of your fonts. So if you are having a hard time finding them, again, you'll just have to click over here at the system fonts and your fonts are installed. I hope this helps.